Hello everybody. So today I will show you how to answer the homework number 5. Here is about the answer for question number 1. That is about number 3. We can see that hydrogen and HO they go to the front. That means they go closer to your face. So that's why we have this one in here. This one and this one they go far away, so they will go together in here. This one on the same area, that means they have the same length. That's why we have this one going here, so we choose select C. And here is about explanation. The next one we have the same. This one and this one they go closer to you, that's why we have number 4 in here. This one and this one they have the same, and they will go in here. Similar for the last one. Here is about the answer for question number 3. That is about C in here. They go point out, go to your face. That means they go closer to your area in here. For this one, I made a mistake. So this one, we can see that we have 2 of them in here. That's about hydrogen, carbon, and CH3 in here, metal. So we have number 6. So this one we have the same number 6. So we have 6 plus 6. This one we have number 4. So 6 plus 6 plus 4. And you got about 16 in here. Now let's go to the next one. That is about 2 in here. This one you can check about the textbook. For this one, this is about C. See, that is about this one in here. Because this one is not correct. If you draw the diagram of this one, number 7, we can see that Cl and Cl they very closer together. That's why they get about the highest torsional strength. When we get closer like this, you select D. The last one, that is about 60 degrees. So they want to concentrate about hydroxide and methyl in here. And this one, with this one, we can see that the degrees that is about 60 degrees. This is the end. Thank you for watching.